In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a website design in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button and type website in the search bar. From the results, select the website option. Canva will open a new website canvas designed specifically for building web pages. After the editor opens, you can either start with a blank page or choose a website template. Templates are a great option because they already include a layout for sections such as headers, images, and text. Browse through the available website templates and click on one that matches the style you want. When you select a template, it will load into the editor where you can begin customizing it. Next, replace the sample content with your own information. Click on Text Elements to change headings, descriptions, or contact details. You can also replace the images by uploading your own photos from the Uploads panel or choosing images from Canva's library. You can customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand or personal style. Move elements around, add new sections, and adjust the design until the website looks the way you want. Once the design is ready, click the Preview button to see how the website will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, click the Publish or Share option to make the website live and share the link with others. That is how you create a website design in Canva.